Hey, it's J Will back with another video. My free traffic method. What I've been doing to earn an extra 50 bucks a day online. First thing first, you can either do this with Digistore or clickbank. I've been doing this with Digistore. As you can see, this week so far, I earned about $146. Let me refresh the screen. $146 all for free by doing this method. First thing first, we're gonna go to the marketplace. The product zone is complete. So what you could do is grab your link here. Oops. Grab your link, copy it, swing over here, tiny URL. Get your custom URL, bow, check to see if it works. Okay, it works. New tab, first thing first to youtube.com. youtube.com. See right here. And you have to pick this product. I'm doing the product. For myself personally, you type in tendonitis treatment. Here we go. Go to filter. You can do this week or today. So if you do today, here we go right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this headline. I'll grab this. Let me see this headline. Brain cancer is the root cause of tenderness, and what can you do about it starting today? So what you're gonna do is, this video was posted 15 hours ago, so you may be one of the first people to comment on this video. Yep, comment. So you want to put this in here. Grab tiny URL link. Put this right here. Bow. Copy this whole thing. Comment. There we go. Click back. Do the same thing. 118 views 18 hours ago. Do the same thing. Bow. Heavy rain, no thunder. So ringing in ears. Treatments. He have 12. No views 12 hours ago, but gonna give him a back. He's streaming. Let's see if we can get into live stream. Comment. Good. Right here, his live stream. And you can just like I just made another sale while we're on live on this recording. Let's go to the next one. Alright, it's not enough for the day, so we're gonna filter by this week. Here we go. How to stop tinnitus, ringing in ears. Here we go. Paste that in there. Back. Causes of tinnitus, 11,000 views 5 days ago. It's a good comment on. You can do this for about 20 minutes a day. 20 minutes a day, just spam YouTube comment section. And I guarantee you make at least 5 sales a week for free. Guaranteed. So far this week I have 2 sales. Started on Monday. I already commented on this one before. Okay, so next what you can do, what I've been doing also, you can see on these over here, tendencies, and I have been posting these groups. I'm not gonna post today. It's already been posting. Just showing you example of what I've been doing. So you can go right here in this group. That's on the wall. On Facebook. So people read this. Brand scans uncovers the real root cause of tendencies and what can you do about it starting today. They get curious. Oh, and they click on it, watch the video, you make sale easy. So this is just an example, quick free method for this. How I first got started with affiliate marketing before I started running ads when I didn't have any money. You guys can do it too and make at least $300-500 a week if you stay consistent. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.